This is a F150 2000 and what is it? I don't know what this is, but I think it's a 2004. I'll find out what it is. But anyway, we had it in the shop, and they put an engine in here. And twice he said the flywheel broke within a matter of 2 days. So we're going to see. We saw bolts that was loose that was on here, but we see a cracked bell housing, which is on the ground, which is right here. So we're going to try to have that. We can have that welded instead of turning the whole transmission. And here's the flywheel. Why it broke twice? It could be possible that they didn't have the flywheel right. We do know that this part here is oblong. Could be they didn't have this in properly, the dowel pin in the hole properly. So also need a dipstick tube. This is rusted, half of it rusted right on off. So you're gonna need that also. Well, let us see.